Hello, I'm going to show the new features of BotFightSim 1.4. Almost everything in this game I show how to do in my videos, and this game is available as a free download, and the link will be in the description. I added the knife and the pistol weapons. I'll show you how those work. This is a knife. I didn't have the correct animation, so I'm using the shotgun animation to stab the knife, and it does work. You can holster the knife. That works okay. And you can drop the knife. On the pistol, the animation starter pack only had 3 animations. So this is the idle animation, so that's correct. And you can holster, that's the correct animation. And you can reload, that's the correct animation. I did the aim offset. I got those animations from the weapon component asset. And the other animations aren't correct. This is incorrect on the crouch. The running animation's incorrect. And the fire animations, that's not correct. But you can't tell because you can't see it. If I get the correct animations in the future, I'll replace them. BotFightSim 1.4 is 664 megabytes. This is the same size as BotFightSim 1.3. And the reason it's the same size is because the weapons were already in place, they just weren't being used, so it didn't add to the size.